Hi everyone, I'm today in Chaweng. So after a few rainy weeks, like 2 or 3 weeks, we had quite a lot of rain. Today we start to have really nice blue sky and sunny weather, so it was quite cool. And I came back to Chaweng, right in the center. So it's still a lot of shops are still closed, but you can see more people walking in the street, so it's a good sign. And more guys like him who is on a rental bike, so it means that there are few people who already arrived. Right here, the soy green mango has the bars closed right now. Of course, it's really quiet. Normally at this time, the Henry's Africa, which was this bar here, will be full of people already. Maybe not full, a lot of people will have drink, play pool. But yeah, there is more people than it was like 2 or 3 months ago, and I'm sure that December and especially January, February, we will see more people will arrive, and so more businesses will open their doors again. Sorry guys, I stopped the video but I start again, and yeah, you can see more people walking in the street and also more cars in the street. So as I told you, it's not like completely open, but much better than what it was 2 months ago. The Hard Rock and the Hooters are still closed. And right here you have the Chaweng Garden Beach Resort, which is open. I wanted to have a coffee there. I really like the pool here, as the pool is in the center between the rooms. With the bridge and I visited the rooms. I will put it in stories, Instagram stories, but I visited the rooms of this place like a few weeks ago, and they were almost renovated and quite nice. And the good thing about this hotel is that you are really in the center of Chaweng. As you can see, I'm already walking on the sand, which is quite cool. So to access to your room, depending on the kind of the room that you have, you walk on the sand. Because you have also these bungalows and all the standard rooms here, and all the alley here is you walk on sand. So it's not crazy, you don't have like a lot of people, but this is new. Before COVID situation, you can see that. Yeah, and also they open the massage over there, so it's not full of people, of course, but there are a bit of people, which is nice. It's not dead, as you can hear many times. See, there is music, people in the restaurant. Yeah. Not a lot of people, but some of them. And it's on the really nice part of Chaweng if you want to swim. Yeah, there is more people than 2 months ago. So it's not like crazy arrival, but much better than what it was. So it's a good sign, guys. And normally over there you have the Arc Bar, which is still closed right now. Yeah, many people are walking on the beach. The sunset will be quite cool tonight. Okay, that's it for today. I'm gonna take a coffee right here in Chaweng Garden Beach Resort. See you on the next videos, guys. Follow us on Instagram. I will put stories with the rooms of the Chaweng Garden Beach Resort. Take care and see you on the next video. Bye.